Hi guys, and welcome back to Sunshiny Days for me. Today I've got something super fun planned for you. As you can see here, I am going to be doing Resinfairytales UV Resin Water Effect Pendant DIY tutorial. I will be giving my rating at the end, but I think you guys already saw a hint of that there in the little pop-up clip. So let's see how this goes. Now I won't be going step by step here because, like I said, if you would like to follow along with the tutorial, you can go and check out her channel and watch the video yourself. But here I'm using some very basic UV resin that I got off Wish. Now I did not have sand lying around, so I actually substituted for brown sugar, which actually worked out really well. So that's a nice little tip for you guys. If you don't have any sand nearby that you can get to easily, if you have some brown sugar in your cupboard, go ahead and use that. My only regret with this part is that I made the sand a little bit too high, but it turns out okay in the end, as you'll see. One thing I also noticed is that my pigments are far darker than hers are, and I don't know why that is. Perhaps it's just the brand that I used, but it still worked out fine in the end anyway. Here's another quick tip that I learned. Don't make your white as opaque as I made mine. Make it a little bit foggy and a little bit see-through so you'll get a better effect with the ripples later. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Now as I'm trying to apply the clear resin droplets, it's not showing the colors underneath because my white is far too opaque and too thick. That's why, as I said a little bit earlier, try to make your white a little bit more pale and foggy and it will come out better. I actually had to go over this and wipe it down so I could start again. Here you can see me mixing more resin in to make the white a lot more foggy, and this time it works out perfect. now that we are at the end stage of this tutorial, I can finally give it my sunshiny rating, and I give it a full 10 out of 10. This was really easy to follow along with if you watch our YouTube tutorial and follow the steps bit by bit. And the materials are fairly easy to get a hold of, and UV resin is easy to work with. So this is the finished result. I made not just one, not two, but three. I loved it so much. They all turned out so cute. I have to say a big thank you to Resinfairytales for that tutorial. It was wonderful and so much fun to follow along with. So if you guys want a quick and easy craft tutorial for something fun to make gifts for the holidays for friends, family, or whatever, check that tutorial out. I highly recommend it. Thanks you guys, and may your days be sunshiny.